answering tower, November 27 Romeo, we're ready for departure.
71 Romeo, roger. Control service not available. This is an advisory service. You can position and depart at your discretion. Just give me a call when you're clearing the zone.
Okay. St. Catharines traffic in November 271 Romeo 5 miles west.
71 Romeo, roger. Hamilton altimeter is 2980. Have a good flight.
290, thanks for help.
71 Romeo, roger. Climb 3,500 and you can just follow the lakeshore for now, please.
Toronto Terminal, Foxtrot Bravo India Lima is at 3,000 on route 21 City Center.
Bravo India Lima, Toronto Terminal, altimeter is 2977 and you can plan a visual approach runway 26.
Full expected visual 26 Bravo India Lima.
November 2871 Romeo, contact Toronto Center now, 124 decimal, actually, 124 decimal 02, good day.
12402, good day, 287 Romeo.
Romeo Juliet Papa Medevac, contact Toronto Center, 135 decimal 62.
Good afternoon, Toronto approach, November 2871 Romeo at 3,500.
November 2871 Romeo, Toronto Center, good day, altimeter 2979er.
2979 at 287 Romeo.
Toronto approach, experimental 1119 Alpha.
19er Alpha, go ahead.
Yeah, 71 Romeo is in a flight with us. How far behind us are they?
19er Alpha, they're about 80 to 90 miles behind you.
19er Alpha.
Hey, Chrono 732, just got a short vector here for some traffic. Turn to the left, please heading 090.
Left heading 090, Chrono 732.
Roger. Hey, Bravo 276, medevac, direct London Airport.
Clear direct London Airport, Bravo 276 medevac.
Hey, Bravo 276, medevac, descend to 12000, link to strike down now, please. Altimeter at Toronto 2978.
Send to 12000 right now, and check altimeter 2978, Bravo 276.
Roger. Air Canada 140, heavy start pull down speed back to 250 knots.
Slow down 250 knots, Air Canada 140.
Air North 823, thanks for the help there. Contact arrival 132 decimal 8. Have a good day.
Order 032 today, or 83.
Your discretion. Maintain VFR at all times.
Okay, check in the climb to 7.5, Bravo, take a left.
Rush 489, contact Toronto 12437. Have a good day.
12437, good day, looking forward to
WestJet 710, contact arrival 132 decimal 8. Have a good day.
Thanks, you too, WestJet 710.
Toronto 237095, 9,000, direct to Wolf.
Morningstar 7095, Toronto, good day, this Yankee.
I'll grab the Yankee, Morningstar 795.
Go Bay traffic, Gulf Hotel, actually Gulf, currently 12 miles east of the field at 4,500. Coming in north, fly over the field to join left down for 29.
Tobermory traffic in November 271 Romeo Skyline, we're 3 miles south, inbound for landing runway 30, Tobermory. Tobermory traffic in November 271 Romeo, 2 miles on final runway 30, Tobermory.
Bay traffic, Gulf Hotel, X-ray Golf, currently 4.5 miles northeast of the field, going to be overflying, joining the left downer for 29, Gulf Hotel, Golf, Bay traffic.